Layer Edge Proof of Humanity is now live on our Layer Edge website as we used to come and mint it, or like Vesnot CLI, like is one of the most important, but this one it has an important too. Like when you participate on CLI Vesnot, like you buy this CLI Vesnot as $5, so you use the multiple wallet as in like multiple account. So if you didn't verify this POA, so it is gonna affect your airdrop, because like your account has been suspicious, has been malicious, because we have a multiple account on it. So that's why they brought this proof of humanity. And then people that are thinking that later that the proof of humanity are going to be like court some training, but it is totally as free as you can see. So I will show you step by step. So before you go into our layer edge proof of humanity, so let's claim our daily point, daily checking, which is going to increase our airdrop whenever they are going to count the allocation to the eligible users. So let's claim our daily point, daily checking. So after then, I will definitely go and show you like their roadmap in their Twitter handle, so that you can see like when is going to get to when they are going to list their token, and TGE generation are going to be live. So let's go into our X handle so that we can see the roadmap and the roadmap for their listing. So as you can see, like here is the layer edge roadmap, which they have already settled their old roadmap. They have been aggregation model and stapler model, definite, testnet. Now we are on proof of humanity, which is the last phase that we are going to be hitting, and then we are already heading to the proof of humanity. The only thing that is left for us, it is here mainnet. So here is it. So let's quickly go back into our website, like into our browser, so that we should mint our proof of humanity. Like here is the tweet that they have made for the proof of humanity. POH is like, to keep network fair and suitable civil resistance, we just roll out a proof of humanity, a privacy first identity verification system. It has a very important to complete the proof of humanity before 25th of this effort, because maybe if you like didn't mean to a proof of humanity on 25th April, so maybe they are gonna skip you as in like users that are going to get in the airdrop. Complete it by 25th April, boost your chance to permanent airdrop and visual insensitive. Access it, access it here. poh.layer8.io. So here is website that we are going to hidden to mint our proof of humanity. And then again, always I will advise you to use a VPN to mint your a proof of humanity, because it's gonna give you and fully accessible to the website without being making any like interruption, like any website problem. So let's go and connect my VPN so that I should mint the proof of humanity successfully without making it harder. So as you can see, like me, I want to use the VPN. So let's connect it. I'm going to use a free one. Even though the free one, like if you didn't like subscribe the VPN, you feel free to go and use it. It's gonna work for you. So when you enter your website like this, all you need to do is to come and click in this section, this three icon. So when you click on it, definitely. So let's click on this three icon, as I already told you. So here is the P4H proof of humanity. So let's click on it. So here is the site of proof of humanity. All you need to do is to connect to a wallet. Uh, so here is the website that we are going to complete it, your proof of humanity. So as you can see, like uh, this proof of humanity is going to be take you a long time without being making it complete. So without making the video to be long, so I will go and show you like what is the requirement that you need to have to pass this layer edge layer edge proof of humanity. So as you can see, this one is ZK fast verification condition. You must have a level 2 Binance KYC. So here is the level 2 KYC. and then again must have at least 50 overrides. So this 50 overrides, so I don't know what it is, but maybe definitely I should go and research it. ZK Fast must have a KuCoin KYC verification, and then again ZK Fast must have a level 2 private KYC. So using all this one, you can use must have a level 2 Coinbase. So using all this wallet, you can use it to verify your proof of humanity. So me, I should definitely like using my Binance or other any like account. So let's click on verify. So here is the where that we are going to get the application of ZK Pass. So when you install the ZK Pass, you're going to like make the video to be short. So definitely I will make another video that will like help us to complete the uh proof of humanity of the layer edge, because like it is a long process that we need to complete the layer edge proof of humanity, which you need to install this application, which is Transgate ZK Fast. So yeah, ready? If this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And then we really I will advise you to look for another episode of the Layer Edge Proof of Humanity in my website on my uh, YouTube channel. Definitely, I will provide it later because I don't want this video to be long. Thank you.